There are lots of cruiser bikes you can pick from. They all have different things about them, good stuff, and how much they cost. I looked at a bunch of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these cruiser bikes are really helpful for you. If you want to know how much they cost and more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. Schwinn Mikko Adult Beach Cruiser Bike. The Schwinn Mikko Adult Beach Cruiser Bike is designed for relaxed, stylish riding. Its 17-inch steel frame offers durability and a classic look, perfect for cruising along the beach or through town. The bike features wide wheels that provide enhanced stability, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Equipped with rear coaster brakes, it delivers reliable stopping power with a simple pedal backward mechanism, ideal for casual cyclists. The Mikko offers multiple speed options, catering to various riding preferences and terrains. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a single speed for flat areas or need the versatility of a multi-speed setup for tackling hills, this cruiser accommodates your needs. The wide, padded saddle and swept-back handlebars ensure an ergonomic and comfortable riding position, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. With its stylish design, robust construction, and user-friendly features, the Schwinn Mikko Adult Beach Cruiser Bike combines practicality and comfort, making it an excellent choice for leisurely rides and daily commutes alike. Number 2. Schwinn Destiny and Baywood Beach Cruiser Bike. The Schwinn Destiny and Baywood Beach Cruiser Bike is the perfect ride for adults and youth ages 8 and up. Designed for both men and women, this stylish cruiser bike is available with 24-26-inch wheels to accommodate various heights. Its single-speed drivetrain ensures a simple and easy-to-maintain riding experience, ideal for casual rides around the neighborhood or on the beach. The bike features a durable steel frame with a classic cruiser design, offering a comfortable and upright riding position. The cushioned saddle and wide handlebars enhance comfort during leisurely rides. Equipped with a rear rack, this cruiser bike is ready for carrying extra cargo, making it practical for quick trips to the store or a picnic in the park. The Schwinn Destiny and Baywood bikes come with front and rear fenders to protect from splashes and grit, ensuring a clean and pleasant ride. The easy-to-use coaster brake provides reliable stopping power, adding to the bike's simplicity and charm. Number 3. SLSY Adult Tricycles 7-Speed. The SLSY adult tricycles are designed to provide a comfortable and stable riding experience for seniors, women, and men. Available in 20, 24, and 26-inch wheel sizes, these three-wheeled bikes offer versatility to suit various rider heights and preferences. The 7-speed gear system ensures a smooth ride across different terrains, allowing users to adjust the speed for a relaxed cruise or a more vigorous exercise session. Built with a sturdy steel frame, the SLSY tricycles are durable and reliable. The large rear shopping basket is perfect for carrying groceries, personal items, or any essentials, making it an excellent choice for errands and recreational rides alike. The trikes also feature comfortable padded seats and ergonomic handlebars for enhanced comfort during longer rides. Safety is a priority with front and rear brakes providing effective stopping power. Number 4. Schwinn Perla Adult Beach Cruiser Bike. The Schwinn Perla Adult Beach Cruiser Bike is designed for both men and women, offering a stylish and comfortable ride. Featuring an 18-inch step-through steel frame, it ensures easy mounting and dismounting. The 26-inch wheels provide stability and a smooth ride on various terrains. Equipped with 7-speed twist shifters, the Perla allows for effortless gear changes, making it versatile for both leisurely rides and moderate hills. The bike includes front and rear fenders, which protect against splashes and debris, keeping you clean and dry. A rear rack provides convenient storage space for your essentials, making it ideal for commuting or running errands. The classic cruiser handlebars and padded seat offer a relaxed, upright riding position, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. Finished in a stylish design, the Schwinn Perla combines functionality with a vintage aesthetic. Whether you're cruising along the beach or navigating city streets, this bike offers a reliable and enjoyable riding experience, embodying Schwinn's commitment to quality and comfort. Number 5. Schwinn Sting Pro. Introducing the Schwinn Sting Pro and Predator Team BMX bike for kids and youth, a blend of retro style and modern performance. Designed with a durable high-10 steel frame, this bike promises longevity and resilience, perfect for young riders seeking adventure. Available in 20-inch or 24-inch wheels, it caters to various heights and preferences. The single-speed Drivetrain simplifies maintenance and ensures a straightforward, enjoyable ride. With its iconic retro design, this BMX bike stands out in any crowd. The high-quality alloy rims and intuitive rear caliper brake provide reliable stopping power, enhancing safety during stunts and races. The padded seat and comfortable grips ensure a smooth ride, even on rough terrains. Choose from multiple vibrant colors to match your style and personality. The Schwinn Sting Pro and Predator Team BMX bike isn't just about looks. It's about delivering an exhilarating, fun, and safe biking experience for young riders.